Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the 8 trigger sensitivity versus the physical trigger sensitivity in the Poco F3 GT versus ROG Phone 3. And this is a question which has been asked by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare these both phones side by side. Let's see which phone has got what type of advantages in terms of having the physical or in terms of having the 8 triggers. This is a comment which I did get as you can clearly see. Not only from this one subscriber, I did get from plenty of other subscribers as well asking me to compare these both phones because they want to decide which phone is the best option for the gaming. That's what my main point of making this video. So first thing, let me try to be clear that the 8 triggers in the ROG Phone 3 has got multiple options. A lot of customization you can actually have in the ROG Phone 3. That's the one thing which I'm really shocked. The more I research about this, the more I'm getting shocked in the ROG Phone 3. It's really incredible. Whereas in the Poco F3 GT, you don't have that much a level of customization. It's very basic and simple. There's only two different customization which you can actually get. One is a shoulders sound effects, and next is the animation effect. That's it. Apart from that, you don't get any kind of other settings related to these triggers. So but let me show you the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay, for example. Just an example I'm trying to take. But whereas in the ROG Phone 3, you do have plenty of customizations for the 8 triggers. Let me just show you exactly. These are the 8 triggers. Let me turn on. First thing is that not only while gaming, you can actually use these 8 triggers even to activate the Google Now as well. For example, right now there is a 8 trigger is there, pressure sense 2. So I did select the option to activate the Google Now. So right now the Google Now will be activated in this way. So there's a lot of customization, not only in this manner. Let me try to disable that even while gaming as well. So let's go to the option to enable the 8 triggers. There is dual 8 triggers is supported. One is that corner one, another one is slightly towards this side. It will be inclined a little bit. So there's a dual partition. Actually, you can actually do that. You can actually clearly see here outer button and inner button. There are two buttons available on this ROG Phone 3 either side. So total you are getting 4 buttons on the top. 4 buttons as you can see friends exactly. So let me just select the dual partition. Now you can actually select the dual partition from the right side as well. So first thing is that if you like the physical button, that's kind of really good. So you can definitely enjoy this kind of gameplay in this phone in the Poco F3 GT. So without much kind of delay, you can get that kind of tactile feeling as well every time you press the button. That kind of satisfaction. Some people they do like the physical button. Some people they do like the air buttons. But let me try to be clear that in the ROG Phone 3, there's so much customization you can actually do that. So much customization. Let me just slightly increase. So first thing is that this button I did set into the shooting mode as you can see exactly. This is shooting exact, this button, and this button I did set to the reload. So you can actually set for the reload as well. This is another option which is available at this moment. Right now let me show you friends. So right now I'm trying to shoot and here is the reload button. So which is working fantastic as you can see. So the outer side I did set to the shooting and inner side I did set to the reload option as you can clearly see. So in this way you can actually set multiple options clearly. That's really very useful while gaming in terms of very intense kind of gaming as you can see here. So and this inner button I did set to the sleep mode. So as you can see on the floor mode, let me show you exactly. As you can see friends, so this inner button on the right side which I did set and which you can actually activate very fast in this way quickly. So for this kind of multiple options can be found in the ROG Phone 3 more than other phones. I can definitely say that for reloading and for faster shooting like this as you can see. So which is not possible for me to do it before, but actually after these settings definitely I was able to do it very confidently and very much accurate as well. That's the one thing which I can definitely say that in terms of faster reloads and everything, my gameplay got really improved, I can definitely say. As you can see. And apart from that, you do have the shake to reload option as well. But instead of shaking to reload, I will definitely prefer to have this another extra button. As you can see, this one. So in this way, you can actually customize friends. So total, you do have 4 triggers on the 8 triggers, which is present in the ROG Phone 3, which works fantastic. In my opinion, after using this both, I can definitely say this has got a lot of potential in it. The ROG Phone 3, that's another thing. But in case if you want that kind of physical buttons, then definitely you can go for the physical buttons. And one more thing, the sensitivity you can actually increase or decrease as well. That's also option available in the settings. If you don't want this kind of very sensitivity, you can actually do that. But this has got a lot of customization friends. I did not even cover plenty of topics on this 8 triggers especially. But man, so there's so much of customization which you can actually do that. So if you try to tap on the one button for example, and you can actually get touch number of taps per second when long press. You can actually do that how many times as you can see. I'll definitely do the dedicated gameplay as well using the ROG Phone 3 very soon as possible in my channel. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos. But overall, I did like the triggers where multiple options which can be enabled. That's kind of really advantage in this ROG Phone 3 at this moment, which I did like in this phone. Whereas in the Poco F3 GT, it's, as I said, it's pretty straightforward and pretty simple. Nothing much huge complications at this point. As you can see, it's pretty simple and straightforward. And if you want the physical buttons, you can definitely go for the physical buttons. This also will give you a really good experience in terms of the physical sensitivity and everything. You do have the customization to enable what are the positions you want exactly. You can clearly see that's another advantage which you're having in the Poco F3 GT. But this customization options I need to explore a lot in the ROG Phone 3. In terms of sensitivity, I did not feel much kind of difference, to be frank. Exactly, it's very much as fast as possible, as you can see. You can long press to multiple times to shoot as well. You can long press, as you can see, continuously, which is also quite possible in the Poco F3 GT. You can long press to shoot non-stop, as you can see, which is also quite possible in the Poco F3 GT as well. Long press, no problems at all. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. It's a quick comparison between both phones. I hope you understand the difference. So both phones, they do have the different type of users. It depends upon the what type of user you are and what type of you want. That's what final decision is. And in my opinion, for me, I did like this level of customization. There are 4 different AI triggers which you can actually choose from. That's another thing which I did like in this device. That's the one advantage which I'm having at this point. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. And let's stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries on this one, both phones, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely. Even the Poco F3 GT physical buttons also really good and really fine completely without any kind of issues, no problem at all. But having this level of customization gives you the really good advantage over that phone. In case if you don't want the physical buttons, that's only the one thing you should definitely decide right now. But right now you can see my gameplay if you want. I'm not that good at gaming, friends. Definitely I'm not that great, but definitely I'll try to improve in my experience. As you can see the sensitivity, how it is in terms of the it's very fast, not bad. I'll try to use the reload button as well, side, which is I did trigger here. As you can see from the reload is pretty fast. It's pretty useful if you get used to this for one. Maybe you'll definitely get used to this after 3 games, so it's not a big deal at all. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the playlist for more information as well. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Bye.